Hey guys, just a quick short little video here with the Ubiquiti G4 Doorbell. Right now I have the non-PoE version, but the little accessory I did bought was the G4 Professional PoE Gang Box. On the website it says that this thing was not compatible with the non-PoE doorbell, but it is. Proof right here. It does fit. And the only reason why I think that they said it is non-compatible is because the bottom, the actual hole for the mounts is not exactly lined up with the inserts for the USB-C and the positive and negative terminals on the camera itself, right? But it does fit. And then the bottom screws that it does have, which are these guys right here. What was pretty cool is that it came with this screw for this mount and this mount. But if any of you have done what I have done, which was broken this little top nub and literally cannot mount your non-PoE doorbell, you are SOL until you do buy this one. It is almost $40 online from Ubiquiti. Total it was like $42 for shipping and handling, but it does fit and I was going crazy. The PoE gang box comes with all these different screws, comes with an extra release tool and a tiny little micro screwdriver that looks like an Allen wrench. Does come with this guy as well, this little mount. I forgot what this thing was called, but you know what I mean. Does come with a back plate, so you could screw it in and do what you need to do. And this back plate, literally those tiny little screws right here line up with these guys specifically, those little holes, which you would use these little nubs to screw it into the bracket itself. And then you would have all these multiple options of mounting the actual plate to the wall. So that is very, very freaking useful, especially if you have loose stucco.